Welcome to this gentle reset from Wandering But Not Lost. For the next few minutes, there's nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to prove, and nothing you need to restart from the beginning. This is simply a place to return, a pause, a place to notice, a place to realign, a place to begin again. Now take a slow breath in and let it out. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw loosen. Let your hands rest. And allow yourself to arrive right here. Not perfectly, not completely calm, just here. Sometimes we think we have to start over because we missed a day, because the week got away from us, because the plan changed, because we lost momentum, because life felt full. But in this moment, you don't have to start over. You can begin again, right here, with this breath, with this moment, with the energy that you actually have. Take another breath in, and gently let it go. Now ask yourself, where am I actually starting from today? Not where I wish I were, not where I thought I would be, not where the perfect version of the plan says I should be, but where am I actually starting from? Let the answer be honest, let it be simple, and let it be enough. Now pause. Take notice. This is where the reset begins. Now ask yourself, what am I carrying forward? Maybe there was something useful in the week behind you, a lesson, a reminder, maybe a moment of clarity, a small win, a quiet truth. Something you don't need to leave behind. Let yourself notice what's worth carrying forward. And now ask yourself, what am I ready to release? Maybe it's the pressure to have everything done perfectly. Maybe it's the story that you are behind. Maybe it's frustration. Maybe it's self-criticism. Maybe it's the need to make this moment harder than it actually needs to be. You don't have to force it away. Just give it a little room. Now breathe in. And as you exhale, soften your grip. Again, breathe in. And release what doesn't need to come with you. And now ask, what is one step, the one next step I can take from here? Not the whole plan, not the entire path, just one step. One kind step. One possible step. One step that matches the energy that you actually have. Maybe it's just starting to drink more water. Maybe it's taking that walk. Maybe it's writing something down. Maybe it's clearing one of those small spaces in your house. Maybe it's sending one message. Maybe it's just resting. Maybe it's choosing to speak to yourself with more kindness. Let the next step be simple. Let it be honest. And most importantly, let it count. You don't have to earn your way back. You don't have to punish yourself into alignment. You don't have to start everything over. You can begin again from right here. Now take a slow breath in and let it out. Say quietly to yourself, I don't have to start over. I can begin again from here. Let's say that again. I don't have to start over. I can begin again from here. let that be enough for this moment. Now, there still may be things to do. There will probably still be questions unanswered. There may still be responsibilities waiting for you. But you don't have to meet them from a place of pressure. You can meet them from a place of return. One breath, one honest pause, one clear next step. Pause, notice, realign, and begin again. You're allowed to start from where you are. You're allowed to move forward gently. You're allowed to return without shame. One more breath in. And release. Carry this with you. I'm not starting with nothing. I'm starting with experience. I'm starting with awareness. And I'm starting from here. Pause, notice, realign, and begin again. You are wandering, but you are not lost.